Hi, I'm Shirley with Wigs Warehouse, and now this is the most expensive type. Then this is a synthetic. It also is available in human hair, but the most expensive type that you can buy is a all hand tied, which is every one of these is a knot. If you can see those little looks like little beads on this side, that's actually a knot, because this particular wig was produced just like you would do latch hooking on a rug, and they use what's called a ventilating needle to get the hair knotted into the cap. And they also encase their straps, which makes it a little more difficult if you want to increase the width of this. People say this is the most comfortable, and this is possibly maybe one of the cooler constructions also, just because there's not as much weight. Even though they've got a lot of hair in it, it tends to be a little, it's just a finer, nicer piece, and you'll pay for that. That's just what happens. If you're wanting quality, you're going to pay quality prices on a nicer type of product. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video.